Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Begin by gathering a CR 2032 3V coin battery, a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, and a clean towel or tray to catch parts. Work on a flat surface under good light so you can see the tiny screw and seam. Organization prevents loss of the spring or screw. Remove jewelry and touch grounded metal to discharge static before you handle the circuit board. Static can damage electronics. Keep the old battery for proper disposal, and have a small Phillips ready if your model uses a retaining screw. Locate the seam and notch near the key ring. Insert a plastic pry tool and twist gently to separate the two halves without forcing the plastic. If your Explorer fob has a small Phillips screw, remove it first and store it on the tray. Otherwise, work directly by lifting the top cover. Note the CR 2032 battery orientation. The positive side faces up toward the clip on most Ford fobs. Remove the old battery. Place the new CR 2032 positive side up, and press the metal clip until it secures the coin. After the new CR 2032 is secured, align the two halves and press them together until they snap. Replace any Phillips screw and ensure the case is flush with no gaps. Test the key fob functions from 3 to 5 feet away. Lock, unlock, and panic button. Confirm doors respond and LED or dash indicator activates. If performance is weak, open the case, reseat the battery, clean contacts with a dry cloth, and try a different CR 2032 from a fresh pack before assuming a transmitter fault.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.